So I can't thank my partner Clark Hanger enough for making this happen. I'm going to take this little helicopter across the country and hopefully buy some airplanes and maybe have an adventure or two along the way. Here we go. So there's all kinds of things that I could say about this. The one that comes to mind is the redneck thing about, hey, y'all watch this. Sarah is going to attempt to help me get this tied down before this storm comes in. So we're going to use one of Crafton's floats. All right, put that centerpiece over the end of the blade there. That's it. Okay. Put it like, that's it, like that. All right, then we're going to take a tie down and we're going to tie that back to that step. And stay tuned, we'll let you know how it goes. So this is absolutely going to suck. I've got a problem. I came in to visit my daughter yesterday, and on my approach, I was not aware that there was furniture that was susceptible. I thought I was far enough. I saw the furniture. I was out here on the dock, and as you can see, now it's not. So that means that the furniture is somewhere right in there. There's one of the floats or cushions. And actually there's another one on the other side, the storm that came in last night. Anyway, I gotta go get the furniture. And I'm pretty sure it's like right down in there somewhere. This is gonna suck.
You might as well just do a cannonball.
Oh God. Oh my God.
How's that Winter, Georgia water fill?
How deep is this? Does anybody know? I guess I came in right there, so.
It's probably just a few feet deep.
Right here?
Don't dive. Yeah.
Lift your feet up.
Oh God, this is gonna suck. It already sucks. Okay. I'll buy you new furniture. Oh God. Oh God. I'll buy new furniture. I'll get you some today. We'll go get it. That's so fucking cool.
So I have new fish structures, what you're saying?
Oh God. That's so cold. Oh shit. Oh man. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Oh, damn it.
No, that's stay open all night?
Yes. That one's dry. Darn it. Thought I closed those. That one's soaked. That's my seat. Damn it. Need a towel. I need to borrow a towel. Crafton, very kind of Crafton to offer his kitty float for a blade tie down.
Hey!
That was awful.
Terrible.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold. My chest just like.
You gonna get in the hot tub?
Oh yes. That's a good idea. How about the hot tub?
Hey, Papa.
Oh.
Say hey, Kraft. Say hey to the camera.
That was terrible. But this makes it all better. I'll buy new furniture. Finding inventory everywhere I go. I am so excited. I cannot believe it. I'm still shaking a little bit. I'm on the trailer. Ah, wow. First landing on the trailer. Woo! Hell yeah! There's my audience. Hot dog body. I did it! Randy, thank you. I can't say enough about how much fun I had at this campground here. Connie and Kenny were awesome. They helped me take the blades on and off and get the helicopter on the pad for the first landing. So Lake Pines Campground, if you're ever in the Columbus, Georgia area, traveling through this area, I highly recommend those people right there. They're good people. And so we're gonna head to Albany now. Is that right? Yeah, Albany. And we've got a target-rich environment. We're gonna be staying at the Exchange Club in Albany. So again, Pine Lakes Campground. All right, here we go. Tell me this is 1956, the original first mall ever, the prototype.
Prototype. First flown in 1957. It's got a 0300 Continental on it.
Oh my goodness.
Horsepower.
145 horse. 1957. This is the original. Are y'all gonna
We'll redo it eventually.
redo it? Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. All right, learning new tricks all the time. So I've got Ivy. Ivy is my co-pilot today, and
Eli, Gabe, Hope,
and that's Mike and Jack.
We're the ground crew.
This is Grandpa ground crew. And so today's day, we're gonna take this bird, we're gonna go north. What we're gonna do is try to hit about 8 or 10 more airports today. And then tonight we're gonna come back, see if we can land it on that trailer. Oh no, wait, we bought some planes. So Monday we're gonna go pick up a T-34 and a T-28. So there you go. T-34, and here we have the T-28. Going to pick them up Monday. What I like to do early in the morning is make my passenger who's never been in a helicopter, fly a helicopter, fly the helicopter. Pretty damn good job. I'll be my co-pilot. See what that guy's doing. We are in Fitzgerald, Georgia. Making our rounds. Pretty nice place. Beautiful weather today. I think he's got it full. Axel says, stay tuned. Monday, we're going to crank up the T-28 and the T-34 and then head to Gainesville, Florida next week.